Hey everyone, it's Chris from Rat Race Rebellion. Today, I want to show you how to find remote jobs with Urban Outfitters and all of the other brands that fall under the Urban umbrella. So there's Urban Outfitters, Anthropologie, Free People, Terrain, FP Movement, Anthropologie Weddings, and Nuuly, Nuuly. I'm going to show you how to navigate from the Urban Outfitters homepage to the Urban corporate homepage, where you can find all of the remote job listings for all of those brands that I just listed, because they're all housed under that one corporate umbrella. Before I dive into that content, I do want to say, if you like this content as you're watching the video, pause for a second and take a moment to like the video and subscribe if you have not already done so. And of course, as always, feel free to leave comments. I do my best to respond to everybody who does leave a comment. So without further ado, let's dive into the Urban Outfitters homepage, and I'll show you what you need to do. So the homepage is at urbanoutfitters.com, and you can see that up here in the address bar. Now, because this is a retail site, of course, all of those items in the top menu are going to be geared toward the consumers, the customers who purchase from Urban Outfitters. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for their careers link, which you'll find here under the quick links menu. So we'll click on careers, but before I do that, I want to tell you to watch this top address bar and watch how the address changes, because we move from Urban Outfitters to URBN.com. And that is the mothership. That's the site that I told you we're going to be going to. The reason that I started you at Urban Outfitters is sometimes people will forget the URBN, or they'll add an A to it thinking it's urban. But you can always go directly here to URBN.com, but just in case you don't remember that, starting at Urban Outfitters is a good way to find your way there. So here we are on the homepage for their careers section. And I always like to scroll down and see what the company has to say about hiring. You can see one of the first things that they do is they put up a notice warning people to watch out for scams always. As I've mentioned before, a lot of scammers like to adopt the names of legitimate companies to try to lure people in. And what they're suggesting is that if you ever receive information from somebody, always confirm through their job board, which is what we're going to be looking at here, that those jobs are actually with Urban and not coming from a scammer somewhere else. So they have their different areas mentioned here: stores, home office, hospitality, distribution and fulfillment, internships, and international. And you can see those brands that I had mentioned coming into this video right down here at the bottom of this page. So they just have these as jump points here so that you can jump directly to those sites. I'm going to click on the Explore Careers button. And again, I want you to look at that address bar. We've made another jump. And what's important to notice here is now what comes directly before .com is ICIMS. ICIMS.com is an applicant tracking software. So that means that Urban Outfitters, or URBN, is using ICIMS applicant tracking software to post their job leads and to gather data or gather information from applicants. And that's going to be important, and I'll discuss that a little bit more as we move forward. If you've watched others of my videos, then you already know why I'm pointing that out. So on this page, if we scroll down, we'll see that they have some sort of general information here. And they do not have a deeper page. A lot of times I'll tell people to go ahead and click on that search button without adding anything. I'm going to do that. And you'll see that that essentially brings us back to exactly the same layout that we had previously. So some companies, if you click on that search button, it will bring you through to advanced search features where you can refine your search parameters. They put everything right up front here. And they don't have a lot of different options, but they do have a good one in here directly under location. If you click on location, you'll get their drop-down menu, and you'll see one of the top items on here is remote US. We're just going to click on that, and that is going to pull up all of their remote jobs. So I click on remote US and then on search. We scroll down, and it's going to show us all of their remote positions. Now, I'm looking at these on July, what is today, the 21st, 2024, and they don't have a lot of remote positions open today. But if you're interested in working for the company, you'll want to check back on a regular basis because they do update them every single day, and you may find something. If you're not finding something today, you may find something in the next day, the next week, the next month. Put this on your radar if it's something that you're interested in. So we can see here they have three remote positions open in the US today. And I'm going to just go ahead and click on one of those. Let's go with the Free People Temporary Assistant Copywriter. And you can see we are still in that ICIMS.com environment. That will bring us through to the job description where it will confirm that, yes, this is remote, it's full-time, it's temporary, and it's in their merchandising department. If we scroll down, it will give us the job description, and it will do this for every position. And Urban is one of those companies, thankfully, that does list what the pay rate is. And in this case, it's $24 to $25 per hour. Now, when we click on, and you can see that ICIMS icon right down here at the bottom, again, driving home the point that this is applicant tracking software. But if we click on the apply button, this will bring us through to that page where we start entering our information. That will get you into their system, and you can apply to the position here. Now, the reason that I mentioned that they're using applicant tracking software is ATS, for short, is software. This is where you're going to have to get past. These are the sort of the bots, the gatekeepers, if you will. They're gathering that information. And with most companies, the bots are also screening the information that you put in. That means that there's software going through your resume, going through your application. It's parsing the information that you entered. It's setting it up so that it can look at it as data. It's searching for keywords. It's looking for gaps in your resume. It's looking for all of the details that have been set in the parameters by the human resource manager or talent acquisition person who created this job post. So it's going to be really important that first and foremost, you submit a resume that is friendly to the bots, that is easy for it to decipher. A lot of people create these great looking resumes that look beautiful on hard copy, but are a mess for software to try to make sense of. We always recommend that you go with a much simpler format, because ultimately nobody's going to be looking at it on paper unless you're applying locally or you're sending off a paper resume. All right. Now, we do have sample resumes on the Rat Race Rebellion site. They're part of our free course about how to find and land legitimate remote jobs. You can find them by going to the ratracerebellion.com website and looking in our menu across the top of the page, where you'll see a link to our free work from home job finding course. When you click on that, it's going to take you to an index of the 10 modules of that course. And you're going to want to scroll down to module 8, which says build a work from home resume that will beat the bots. You can go ahead and click on that. And that's going to bring you through to all of the information that you need to help you with this step. I definitely recommend that first you watch the video, because it will tell you about applicant tracking software, how HR uses it, and why it's such a critical step in applying for a job, that you create a resume that bots will understand. All right, so after you watch that video, if you scroll down to the links and resources section, you'll see links to a resume. It's a customer service resume, but regardless of the position that you're applying for, the format is still something that you'll want to have a look at. It's downloadable in 3 different formats. 2 of them are formatted for Microsoft Word. One is a .doc for those folks who may have an older Microsoft Word application, and .docx for those folks who are using 365 or a newer version of Microsoft Word. The final one is a .txt file that just opens it up for you in Notepad with very little formatting. Just that way you can copy it and paste it into whatever application you're using. All you need to do is click on the one that you prefer, the format that you like. It will download it for you. You can open up that downloaded document. Let me just slide that over here so we can see it. And once you have it opened, you can click on this Enable Editing button. If you want to customize this document directly, you'll need to do that. You don't have to do it if you're just perusing it, if you're just taking a look at it and using it as an example. But if you scroll down, you'll just see how we've laid this out. We have one table in here. It's a very simple format that's easy for applicant tracking software to parse and get the information out of. We have very well-defined partitions or headers in the resume. And we've also included details that I think will help people understand the difference between creating a resume that has a focus on your achievements and accomplishments as opposed to just a basic job description, which is what a lot of companies are looking for. Not just what did you do, but what did you accomplish? So as you look at this resume format that we are giving you a sample of on the site, you'll get a great bead on how these lay out and what companies are looking for. We also, of course, on this channel have a great video about how to extract keywords from job descriptions that are posted by companies. And I'll put a link to that in the description of this video below. It's a really simple way to use the free version of ChatGPT to just strip all of those out so that you can take them and include them in your resume, sort of mirroring back what the HR manager included in their job description. So if you're looking for legitimate remote work and you need some help with that, or you'd love some assistance with that, I definitely encourage you to visit the Rat Race Rebellion every weekday at ratracerebellion.com. We post screened legitimate remote job leads there Monday through Friday. While you're at the website, look in the upper right-hand corner of any page and you will see a link to the subscription button for our free email newsletter. Everybody gets busy. Sometimes it's not easy to remember to stop by the website every day. So when you get the newsletter, it will let you know what's on the site fresh today, so that if something is of interest to you, you can just click on a link and go directly through to the site. That's it. And of course, as I said, subscribe, like, follow, share these videos with your friends. And of course, if you have any questions, drop them into the comments section below. I do try to respond to everybody in a timely manner. And if I haven't responded to anybody, I apologize. Sometimes things do slip under my radar. That's it. Everybody have a wonderful day. I look forward to hearing your success stories soon. Bye-bye.